I have no connection to any BPO, says Dr. Christopher Tufton.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, is strongly denying claims circulating on social media that he is attached to a business process outsourcing BPO entity in Jamaica. Dr. Tufton made his statement in an interview on Instagram with popular entertainer Spice. There are rumors traveling around on especially social media that I have a personal connection with a BPO operation. I want to dismiss these rumors on this platform. I do not have any interest in any BPO. In my private life before, I have worked with many organizations, but as a minister of government, my only interest at this time is working for the people of Jamaica. Let me say again, I have no connection to any BPO, Dr. Tufton said. The minister's response came amid the circulation of a message on social media, which reads as follows: Jamaica is in trouble. Two most important ministers responsible for taking on Corona have significant ties to the BPO sector. Nigel Clark was vice chair at Musan, which built the second largest tech park where these BPOs operate. Clark was responsible for making Musan a major player in the BPO industry in Jamaica. The current largest BPO in Jamaica is Barnet, which had Tufton acting as director. The Minister of Health and Minister of Finance both made millions upon millions leading BPOs, and they have both been working in the favor of BPOs since being empowered. Musan has Alorica managing their call centers. Alorica is responsible for the widespread of COVID in Jamaica. Wholeness has the two most important advisors on these issues, being men who have spent years of their lives profiting and building BPOs in Jamaica. This explains a lot. When they leave government, they are set to return to these companies. Who will Tufton and Clark be prioritizing? The country people, the ghetto people, the Jamaican people, or their former or future bosses? Let us step back and look at the big picture of this game being played on Jamaicans.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.